This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What most Audi owners never realize until it's too late. Before we close this episode, there's one important point that deserves special attention, and it connects directly to what we'll explore in the next episode. Most Audi owners believe that if the car doesn't show warning lights, everything must be fine. This assumption is understandable, but it's also one of the most misleading ideas in modern car ownership. Today's Audis are designed to delay warnings, not because problems don't exist, but because the systems try to correct and compensate long before alerting the driver. This is why so many owners say things like, "The car fell off for months." Then suddenly a warning appeared. In reality, the warning didn't come suddenly. The system simply reached the limit of what it could compensate for. What you've learned in this episode is that adaptation hides stress. It smooths rough behavior. It masks inefficiency. It keeps the car drivable even when usage patterns are not ideal. That's impressive engineering, but it also means the driver gets less feedback. Here's the curiosity most people never consider. Many warning lights don't appear because something broke. They appear because the system finally stopped trusting its own corrections. This is especially true for engine management, emission systems, and transmissions. The car keeps adjusting fuel, timing, idle, shifting, and torque delivery in the background. As long as those adjustments stay within acceptable limits, you see nothing. Once they exceed a threshold, the warning finally shows up, often long after the behavior that caused it became routine. Another rarely discussed fact is that resetting faults does not reset understanding. Clearing codes removes the message, not the memory. The car still remembers how it has been driven. That's why some drivers clear warnings repeatedly without fixing anything, while others change habits and see improvements without touching a tool. The difference isn't luck, it's feedback. And this leads directly to the next episode. In episode 3, we're going to break down Audi warning lights that are behavior-related, not failure-related. We'll explain which warnings are serious, which ones are adaptive, and how to tell the difference before panic sets in. You'll learn why some lights disappear on their own, why others return weeks later, and why ignoring certain messages is far more dangerous than addressing them early. Once you understand this connection, habits, adaptation, and delayed warnings, modern Audi ownership becomes far less stressful. You stop reacting emotionally and start responding intelligently, because the car is always talking to you. The question is whether you're listening early or only when it starts shouting.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.